Hi dears, welcome back to BitFocus. As we have learned about collections in our previous video, especially dictionaries, we have learned what dictionaries are in Python, so you can find the video in channel BitFocus and playlist. If you have any questions or any suggestions about previous videos, so please feel free to put comments in our channel below any video you want. So today we will learn about conditions. What are conditions? If you have coded in other programming languages like C#, like C++, Java or PHP, you may already know what conditions are. If you haven't coded yet, no worries. Today we will learn what conditions are. So you see, if statement. If statement is a condition because something or anything we put here is performed, is done according to a condition. For example, if A is greater than B, something is done, otherwise something else. So it is if statement. If statement is a condition. And if else statement, if else condition, it is another condition. If A is greater than B, this statement, the first statement is done, else something else is done. It means that in if one statement is done, in else another. So elif or else if in other programming languages like Java, C# or C++, we have else if, but here in Python, please remember it is elif, not else if. So you see, if A is greater than B, this statement, and elif another one. And then also we have else. It means if A is greater than B, this statement, elif this, and else at the end. No worries. You can put else at the end or no. Here it is enough. So it is shorthand if. In Python we have shorthand. For example, we can put if A is greater than B statement in the second line. But here in shorthand we have one line, or we put all our codes in one line. For example, if A is greater than B colon print A, so in one line it is shorthand. And also we have shorthand for if else in Python. You see, print A if A is greater than B, else print B. So please remember the syntax. Print A if A is greater than B, else print B. So they are all the pseudocode or the syntax, and we will code them in examples. So and now conditions. So for example, A is 2 and B is 10. So now we could in example, if B is greater than A, please remember colon. In Python we have colon, but in other program languages we have parentheses. It is called indentation. Indentation is very important in Python. If you do not consider indentation, I mean one tab or two tabs, so then it gives error. Please remember. So if B is greater than A, we print a message here. We say B is greater than A. What does it mean? It means that if B is greater than A, this message is printed. Otherwise it is not printed. So now let's see. You see, B is greater than, A is left here. So again I copy it because now it is not typed. It is not typed here because it is run. So if B is greater than A. Yes, it is true that B is thin and A is true, so B is greater than A. You see, now this message is printed. Again, if A is greater than B, is greater than B. So what do you think? Will it be run or no? No, because A is not greater than B. So now let's see. You see, no message because A is not greater than B. So B is greater than A. It is if statement. It is a condition, and another condition if else. That is if else statement. So how? We see if A is greater than B, print A is greater. Else, please consider the indentation in Python. It is very important. So now what do you think? Which of them will be run? The first one will be printed or the second one? What do you think? A is greater than B, but you see A is smaller or lower than B, not greater. So it is clear that the second one or else is performed. Else is performed here. Now we see B is greater. Yes, it's right. B is greater. So it is called if else statement. And another one we have if elif. So we declare another variable, and that is 5. If A is greater than B, again that print A is greater, and again it is repeated. Elif, or in other programming languages we have else if. Sorry, I think something wrong. If A is greater than B, print is greater. Elif B is greater than A, print B is greater. So if A is greater than, and else C is greater. So you see if A is greater than B, this is run or this is performed, but others are ignored. If the first one is not, or A is not greater than B, so the second one, it checks the second one. If B is greater than A, elif means not the first one, the second one. So if B is greater, this one is performed or printed. Otherwise, if these two are not true, so the third one else is performed or printed. So now you can see, but B will be printed. Now you see, yes, B is greater. Yes, that is real because C is 5, B is 10, so A is 2. It's clear that B is true. Now we have shorthand. Shorthand of if. Shorthand means that all our code is coming in one line, in a single line, not in 2 or more lines like here. So if B is greater than A. Print okay, B is greater. It is the shorthand of the first one. This one. It is the same as this one, but the only difference is this, that all of them are in one line, in a single line. You see, okay, B is greater. And also we have shorthand of else. If else, print B is greater if B is, sorry, a single quotation is left here, if B is greater than A, else print A is greater. You see, here we do not have any here we do not have any colon. Please remember, with shorthand, for if else, not if, for if else we do not have colon. So now we see it means print B is greater than, print this one when when B is greater than A, when B is greater than A, print this one, otherwise print this one. So now we see B is greater, this is performed, or this is printed. Why? Because B is of course greater than A, so this message is ignored. It was our today's session about conditions. Hope you have understood. Please try not to forget to subscribe to our channel BitFocus to get benefited from our next video. Thank you.